All right, start this thing back up. Oh, I think it's gonna backfire. What is up, you guys? How you guys doing today? Welcome back to the channel. So a while back I made a video where I took the instrument cluster sticker from a 1999 Cadillac Escalade and I put it in my 1996 Chevy Silverado. Now there's two reasons why I did that. Number one, the stock Silverado instrument cluster is only registered for 100 miles an hour, and the stock 99 Cadillac Escalade instrument cluster is registered for 120 miles per hour. Here's the thing. I thought that you can just go ahead and remove these needles right here for the tach, the speedo, the fuel, the oil, the temperature, and the battery, and then you can just replace the sticker and put the needles back in and everything will be all hunky-dory and fine. Nope, that's not the case at all. So actually, when I turn the truck on, I'm not going to start it up, I'm just going to turn it on. Oh, my steering wheel's locked up. There we go. Okay, so it looks like the battery gauge, the fuel, and the temperature gauge are the only ones that actually work properly. I'm not 100% sure on the tach. It is not running, so it's obviously not going to register. And it says we're going 5 miles an hour. Actually, it says we're going like 6 miles an hour. And we're not moving at all. As you guys can tell, we're not moving. The oil temperature gauge is not correct. I think it sits around like 40 or so. But yeah, anyway, so I actually got online and I was trying to figure out how to realign these needles. And it turns out only thing you have to do, go ahead and remove this bezel right here. It literally just pulls apart just like this. Just grab it, boom, boom. Now, on this right here, there's two tabs right here and right here. If you got fingernails, just go like this and like pull them out and then push that in just like that. And then right here and right here, you just pull these out like this. Get this all the way pulled out. This one to be, oh man. Okay, anyway, just go ahead and remove all this. You might have to pull your shifter down, your steering wheel down and all that, and then you can get this all the way. And I already took my bolts out. Now is you can grab it from here on the side, just like this, and just pull it straight out, just like that. Okay, and now you might have to like lean it up like this, or just pull it straight out of the dash like that. And it's only held in by this right here. This opening right here, it actually clips on to that, so you don't want to damage either of those. So then the only thing you got to do is just come over here, and there's this little tab right here on the side. You push that in, and then you come over here and you push this one in, and then it will release this whole front piece right here. Okay, so there's actually two clips on this side right here and one clip on this side right here. Once you get that out of the way, you firstly would want to remove the little peg right here. It's just a little black peg. You remove that, then you can remove the dome, and then here you are. You just have this square piece. Okay, so I went ahead and removed all of the needles. This one was actually pretty easy, and the rest were hard. So I just went like this, put one hand here and one hand here, and I just grabbed the hole at the bottom and pulled it up, and got all those out of the way. So now what you need to do is go ahead and set it back inside the dash. Okay, so I went ahead and plugged the instrument cluster back in. Go ahead and turn everything on, make sure everything works. Okay, so my truck is super loud upon startup, so it's possibly going to backfire. Let's just hope not. I'm just waiting for it. It's going to be so freaking loud. Okay, so basically just go ahead and put the needles back in. I don't know how well I'm going to be able to do this. Let's go ahead and set it in and then push it down. Same for right here. Put it in. I just got it on there ever so slightly, and then push it down just like that. And need to do the same for all of these right here. because these move, I'm not sure where this is actually going to be able to go. So it looks like it's wanting to stay right here, so we'll snug that up. It's moving, so that's good. Same for this right here. Just put it on ever so slightly, it'll move itself. All right, push it in. Oh, I think we might have put it in a little bit too hard. There we go. All right, let's go ahead and put this one on ever so slightly. Kind of want to jiggle with this one a little bit because this is like really important right here. Just want to make sure that it's going to go in the right spot. Looks like it could be a pain in the butt to do, so I'll go ahead and put the battery one in. I'm just laying it on there again. Just let it rest on there, let it find its way, move it a little bit. Once it goes, okay, go ahead and, all right, then it went down all the way, almost. And now we just have one last one to do. That is this one right here. All right. I don't believe that it's at 210 already, but you know. All right. Well, go ahead and turn the vehicle off. So, yeah. Yep. Boom, boom. There it is. Put the steering wheel down. This. All right. It looks to be good. All right. And put everything back together. All right. Start this thing back up. Oh, I think it's going to backfire. Told you, dude. Instant reflex, baby. So that's why I don't like to start this damn thing up. It just backfires way too damn loud. But yeah, now you guys know why I don't like driving this truck. I need to take it to go get it fixed up. It's out of time a little bit. Needs mufflers on it so it quiets it down a lot. But yeah, anyway, I think it's fixed. Go ahead and put this back in. I hate that sound, I'm telling you guys, bro. It's so damn loud. But yeah, dude, I think it's fixed. I really do. Obviously, I can't drive it, but nonetheless, I think it's fixed. Alright guys, if you guys like this video, please go ahead and give it a big old fat thumbs up. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. And if you guys have the same problem with your vehicle and you fixed it because of this video, let me know down in the comment section below. Anyway, that's all I got for this video. I will see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.